Internet criticizes House of the Dragons, weak female characters. Females are at the heart of what prompted a Dance of the Dragons. Nonetheless, some on the internet have criticized that the writers give them a lackluster portrayal in House of the Dragon. The men are violent, women strive for peace. True, this show is pushing does disservice to the female characters. Reddit post stated. They keep pushing this notion that men are violent and women push towards peace, which is nonsensical and waters down the female characters in the dance. Sorry. Someone else said, I want complex female characters that do selfish decisions, evil acts, and act for mere self gain rather than needing some type of moral justification for pursuing it. Some also point to a stark contrast between what is stated in the book and what is seen on film. According to Dexerto, Alicent is portrayed as a greater political mastermind in the tome than on film. Rhaenyra, on the other hand, is shown as a film as attempting to prevent bloodshed, which is presented as exceedingly violent in the novel. Another added, I am all for women's rights, but it's time we had some women's wrongs.